In this video, I'll show you how to book a hotel on booking.com. So here we are on booking.com, and you'll see on the top here, I have three options. One is to choose our location. The other is to choose our dates. So let's just say from the 8th and then hit exact dates and then click on the 10th. And then the rooms are correct. So let's just hit search and we'll just pick the first one that pops up here. Now here you can read through all the information about the specific spot, as well as if you scroll all the way down, you can see the reviews. Lastly, hit select rooms. So if a certain place has different rooms, you can see the pricing and you can scroll down and you can see the different rooms. And if you click on the blue section where it says the name of the room, you'll be able to have a look at some pictures. And when you're ready, click on one and hit reserve. Now we need to choose the number of rooms. And when we're happy, just hit confirm. And we need to choose the bed that we want or beds and hit next. And now we just need to hit reserve. After you hit reserve, it will, depending on the specific place, take you to the payment information where you will put in your payment method and then hit continue. From there, they'll give you one final review of everything and they'll also send you an email as confirmation. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.